Hi guys, Anton here from Adventure Africa, and I'm sitting here in a VW bus, specifically the Colorado, and with me I've got Ryan Gillingham. Ryan, tell me a little bit more about this bus.
Thanks, Anton. It's great to have a chat with you about our 4x4 camper vans. So first of all, this is a Crafter Colorado 6X. It's classified as a 4x4 recreation camper van, ideal for any off-road excursion. So let's just talk technicalities first. It's based on a Crafter 103 kilowatt 2-liter turbo 4Motion vehicle with a high roof. So obviously for height, considering that you get in and out of the vehicle and with all the installations. It's a manual model, 6-speed manual, but next year we're proud to announce that we're going to upgrade the engines to 130 kilowatt and also introduce an 8-speed automatic in the vehicle, even better for those long distance drives.
Okay, so tell me, we're sitting here, this obviously is your little lounge, but it's also your sleeping area. This got a little shower, a toilet installed, you guys even got a TV here, but power, where do you guys get the power from?
So the power is actually installed here at the bottom. So I'll show you later if you do want to take footage. Your water and all your extra batteries that supply power is located actually where I'm sitting underneath in the load compartment.
I saw you also had solar panels on the roof.
Correct. Yeah.
So you can charge while you drive either through the alternator or a DC to DC
correct.
charger, and when you're standing still, you have the solar power.
That's 100%
And
correct.
what sort of range are you looking at this vehicle? I mean, it's a big vehicle. It's 4x4. It's heavy, I presume.
Yeah. So in terms of mileage,
Yes.
look, it's a TDI, so you can definitely bargain on 14 kilometers per liter. Our TDIs are very fuel efficient, despite the weight and size of this vehicle. But you've got ample torque, so you're definitely not gonna standing still when you're cruising down the highway.
And can you drive this with your normal EB license or B license, or do you need a C license?
So no, you can drive this with a normal code 8. It also depends again on the size of the vehicle that you take. What we're sitting in here is a normal standard wheelbase vehicle, 3.5 ton. So in terms of gross vehicle mass, so it's classified as a light commercial N1, so you only need a code 8. We can, however, go bigger, which means that you would need what we call a code C or a code 10 license.
And this one is full 4x4 with a rear diff lock?
So it is possible to equip this vehicle with a rear locking axle. The 4Motion system is classified as all-wheel drive, so it obviously will distribute torque to the front front axle or the rear axle as required. It's actually most of your torque is on the front axle, redistributes to the back when there's a loss of traction.
And do you have any idea how much water you've got here from when you're going into the bush?
Well, that's the beauty of dealing with guys like Maxmo. If literage is a problem, they can design the vehicle for you so that you can take the exact quantities that you want. So the exact amount of water that's currently in the car, I don't know, but the beauty of the Crafter is that with converters like Maxmo, you can create the car of your dreams, and it's absolute bespoke.
And you've got a lot of nice little things, like you've got privacy shutters that's coming down. You've got the mosquito netting here that you're able to bring down. So there's a lot of thought that went into this. I mean, I see we even got a little microwave. I heard earlier you've got the Snappy Chef stove and everything here.
So look, I mean, it's first of all, it's aircon. You've got a built-in kitchen with a microwave and a fridge. It's a combined toilet as well as shower. And then this is the smaller TV, but in your bigger vehicles, you can even have a screen that actually protrudes in and out. Then, of course, there's a privacy blinds, your fly nets. Some of these vehicles even can be designed so that this lounge turns into a bed. So I've seen vehicles where the back is actually customized to fit mountain bikes in. If you don't want the bar that we've got, the bar or the
kitchen area,
the kitchen area, the outdoor kitchen area. So it all depends what you want.
And I presume because it's customizable and everything, there is a beginning price, but you can go higher and higher depending on what you want.
Yeah, look, I mean, this vehicle we're sitting in is about 2.2 million rand, but this includes the price of the car and the conversion. So that's more or less what you're looking at. We even have the ability to for customers to buy a T6 a transporter and have that converted, and that usually sells for 1.6. It all depends again what you want in the vehicle. So you're looking at, again, your prices will range from starting at 1.6 and it can go beyond 2 million, but again, it depends what you've got pictured and where you want to go.
And because you're doing this through VW Commercial, you do not lose your warranties. You do not lose any of those other nice things that comes with a VW.
So the basic warranty of the vehicle isn't compromised. But also Maxmo who's the converter here, obviously will have their own guarantees in place for breakage.
Right. I'm really looking forward to taking this thing into the bush. I'm hoping to get my hands on one soon. But thanks for having us today. And guys, if you want to see more, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like. Cheers, guys. Thanks, Ryan.
Plezier. So jy is meer as